Hi there, this is Kevin Benedict, Enterprise Mobility Analyst and SAP Mentor, reporting live from Mobile 2012 here, SAP's Insider Conference in Las Vegas. I'm here with Quentin Fisher from CSC. Quentin, thank you for joining us.
Hello, everyone. Hi.
So, Quentin, what are you seeing out there? What are people asking you today, and what are some of the biggest challenges they're wanting to discuss with you around enterprise mobility?
Well, I think the market's starting to understand a bit more about mobility. They're really challenging, I think, some of the value propositions and price points. So what we're seeing is, with our mobile solutions, we're having to make sure that it's a rich value set, and that we're able to offer the productivity apps that SAP is coming out with, but they're looking for something more. Because there's a lot of cheap alternatives out there. So what we're finding is that integrating the analytics and in-memory capabilities in with mobility, that's able to provide some really good use cases and value sets that are really able to drive a mobile investment and a lot of return on investment. So that's a big part of it. So how do they move up that value curve with their mobility solutions?
So what are the biggest challenges that seem to be preventing people from being able to implement these right now?
Yeah, some of the biggest challenges from implementing them right now is I think there's a lot of what I'm seeing inside organizations is there's a debate between the SAP camps and a lot of the technology camps because of the cheaper solutions, and without a strong mobile strategy, there's no framework to have that discussion. So what we're seeing is an iterative process going on right now between proof of concepts and mobile strategies, and once the business is able to get in and weigh in on what's really important for their business, then you can lay out a very clean and aggressive roadmap to drive change. In the meantime, what we're seeing is just smaller, lighter weight POCs until organizations go up the learning curve.
Thank you, Quentin. And one other question here. Where do you see HTML5, what role do you see it playing in enterprise mobility over the next couple of years?
Well, I think it's key. You see a lot of solutions now with SAP's Gateway and hybrid web container set. That's much more of a pre-configured, pre-packaged solution to that. I do see HTML5, just kind of raw mobile websites being a big play for a lot of players as well. So it's a factor. I think SAP's got a good strategy about how to integrate it and embrace it. That's important, because otherwise they're not going to be able to compete with their solution set. That's what's out there that's freely available.
So Quentin, when should people come and talk to CSC for help around enterprise mobility?
Well, if they're really struggling to understand what the first or next steps are, we can do that. If they're looking for a provider to help them implement some apps, we've got a great approach in designing them out and building some of these game changer apps. And also, if it's overwhelming in a way, we can help you manage it too. So we can help you shape your message. We can help you transform your processes, and we can help you manage it as well.
Great. Quentin, I want to thank you so much for sharing with the audience today.
Thanks a lot.